We're trying to figure out a way of evaluating real progress towards artificial intelligence. Not the kind of narrow progress where you build a computer program that can do one thing, but rather where you build a computer program that has something like a real mind.
Do you think it's possible to simulate intelligence just by using big data, by gathering loads and loads of information about the world and using that to work out possible eventualities?
What we're trying to do is have a series of events that each capture part of what we think intelligence is. So probably it's impossible to have a single measure of intelligence, but we've talked about having different events, like one that we're calling the IKEA Championship, maybe informally, where a robot has to look at a diagram, has a bag of parts, and has to build something. So that gets at motor intelligence, perceptual intelligence. We're also talking about a comprehension challenge where a machine has to watch a video and answer questions about what did it see, why do the people do what they're doing.
How long do you think it will be before a computer passes these tests?
I think we're talking a matter of decades here, not weeks, not months, not centuries either, but somewhere in between. We think right now there's a focus on narrow engineering for particular things. So the Google car is a brilliant kind of thing, but it only knows how to drive a car. It doesn't know how to do anything else. And we want to see more versatile systems develop.
Now, of course, the talk was that it became possible to game the original text-based Turing tests. Do you think there's a danger that it will be possible to game even these tests?
We can't guarantee that we've made ungameable tests. I mean, Turing made a test 60 years ago, and over time people figured out how to game that, and that might happen for ours too. And we're open to allowing the rules to change over time. So we're going to make first draft rules, and we're going to see how they work and how people might try to game them. And we realize the rules might have to evolve over time. That, you always want people to try to do the deep thing, and they might find some superficial way of solving it in the short term. And we accept that the rules might need to evolve.